All right. So, what's up, everybody? I'm back. I apologize. There's that damn dog over there. But anyway, we are on to what I believe is our second to last bean field for the year. So anyway, yeah. This is also the last time we'll actually be out here on this berry farm, because all the we'll be getting rid of this place after this year. We're not gonna be renting it no more. So yeah, you can't hardly see him. He's over there along the trees. So the guy that we were custom combining for, he brought the header cart back. Well, he brought the header cart over here for us, and so anyway, yeah, parked the four-wheeler over there. There's the 7820 and the other wagon. So yeah, if you guys can't hear it, yeah, I'm trying to surpass a headache right now. So I'll try the best I can to do this for you guys. Yeah. So I don't know how long I'll stay out here for. I know that damn dog is looking at me, but sorry about that, you guys. Combine's way off over there, although it just disappeared behind the hill. So anyway, probably do another batch of videos here. I know that damn dog, he's still barking, but we don't even own this property. Anyway, yeah. So anyway, yeah. So I haven't checked to see if there was any more FS news. Dog, shut up! Stupid dog. Wow. That got freaking irritating, and it's still irritating. Now he's got them other dogs barking all over there. So, yeah, you can hear the combine somewhere way off over there. He's on the back side, I believe, of the field now. So, yeah, as soon as he can get the rest of these beans out over here, because he's still got to go along the back side way back over there, and then he has to go along the edge way back over there, and then he comes up here, and then he goes around the acreage, and then he ends up right back here. So, yeah. So anyway, yeah, there's still some green in there, but it ain't bad. You can see some of the weeds in there. So, yeah, Grandpa's coming. Should be coming, unless he has a load of beans on him that he has to take. So, yeah. Yeah, all dried up and everything. Yeah, this place is an absolute disaster. We had enough of that bin over there. We had enough of those two. You can't get back there no more, so. Yeah. Yeah, you can hear him way off in the distance over there. I guess Grandpa has to go and bring one last load to town, and then he'll be back. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to head. I'm gonna head over here to this side. Yeah. It's a lot shadier over here. Yeah. You can hear the combine somewhere way off over there. I see a tractor and grain cart way over there. Yeah. Yeah. But I don't know how long I'll stay out here for, because considering I got a headache and everything else. Fixed the air guitar this morning. Well, not this morning. I fixed it when I got back home from work. So that's fixed. That's ready to go. Took me long enough to fix it, but it's fixed now. So, yeah. Ouch. So yeah, it looks like some beans were trampled back here. I may have just made it worse, but yeah. Yeah, finally got that fixed. Got that set up right. Them little black demons, they're back. He's off over there somewhere. I'm thinking he's going to be making his way back over here. So that we can open up the portion of the field. Yeah, and considering the little black bugs are getting all over me, I doubt I last out here long. Dang. I can see sun dust over there. I'm not sure if that's ours or if that's someone else's. So anyway, I'll see you guys in the next one.